time for a afternoon swim here in Alcudia before we go in on a yin yoga class at 4 p.m. It has been clouds most of the afternoon, but that won't stop us from going in for a swim because the sea is amazing still. Where should we go? Let's go closer to the hotel where the yoga class is. It's in the sister hotel called Princessa. And yes, we will relax a bit with the yoga flow. Actually, it's yin release. So that's gonna be nice. Enjoy the beauty of this beach as we go. This looks like a nice spot. So let's go in here. Yes, we're going here. And let me quickly take out my clothes. This. That's right. And let's dive in right away. The water is still very warm. Indeed. Still beautiful, even if it's cloudy. That's right. Oh, I see some more starfish here. There are lots of them. Beautiful sea creatures. And so we're still going in, as you can see, still under my waist here. But let's dive in right away. We don't need to go in more. It's beautiful, right? Another starfish. Let's take a look at it while we go in. Yes. Yes, I should bring my goggles. Actually, I have them in my backpack, but we're gonna explore that another day. Another one. Look. Yes, this sea is full with beautiful starfish. They are everywhere. You cannot miss them. Indeed. Let's dive in some more. Yes, that's all on the face. I need to remove it right away. Oh, here's another one. Look at that. Can you see it? Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. That was the fourth swim of the day, if I'm correct. And there's gonna be one more later today, at least one, probably two. So one after the yoga and one later in the evening. Oh, here's another one. Let's wrap up this video with this beautiful starfish. Actually, let's take it out so that we can look at it more closely, and then we're gonna return it back to the sea. This one is small and pretty. So this is on this side. See? Beautiful. Let's see it on the other side. This is the other side. It's beautiful. You see the tiny little parts are wanting some sea water, so I'm gonna return it right away so it gets to enjoy the beautiful sea. Yes, that was the Starfish exploration, and now it's time for some yin release yoga to relax and to embrace the now time. Yes, Greetings from Alcudia,